Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to clean up a messy dataset? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to replace specific strings in a column using dplyr and stringr in R. I totally get it. Working with data can sometimes feel like trying to untangle a ball of yarn. You're not alone in this struggle. Many people face similar challenges when cleaning their data. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I remove certain substrings from every row in a specific column of my tibble? They provided a tibble with some sample data and wanted to clean up the sample column. Sound familiar? If so, let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what do we need to do? The goal is to remove the substrings gor x and 6rs r from the sample column in our tibble. This is a common data cleaning task, and we'll walk through it step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a handy tip at the end that will make your data cleaning process even smoother. To begin, the user should load the necessary libraries. This includes the tidyverse package, which contains both dplyr and stringr for data manipulation and string handling. Next, the user needs to create the tibble with the sample data. This tibble will contain the column sample, col B and col C, as shown in the example. Now the user can use the mutate function from dplyr to modify the sample column. They will apply the str_replace_all function from stringr to remove the specified substrings. Finally, the user can view the updated tibble to confirm that the substrings have been removed successfully. This will show the final structure of the data. Did you know? The term tibble comes from the word table and is a modern take on data frames in R. It's designed to make data manipulation easier and more intuitive. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the map function from the plyr package. This method allows you to replace specific substrings in the sample column, regardless of whether it's a character or factor type. The user suggests using str_replace to remove the substrings x and 6r from each entry. Here's the handy tip I promised. Always keep your data tidy by regularly checking for unwanted substrings and cleaning them up. This habit will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You've successfully cleaned up your tibble. Remember, keeping your data tidy is essential for effective analysis. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on advanced data manipulation techniques.